I've been waiting just to see your face. Caught up in your vibe, girl. You take me to a place where the sky meets the ocean. We're dancing in the light. With every single moment, girl, you're always on my mind. And I can't deny you're my everything. Your smile, your touch, it's all I need. I'm holding.
Usog na siya, anak.
Bukan wala ikaw, bukan anak.
Buwas da ng Reyna, chapat. Harapin, wala ko gita ng speaker, kaya amin ako beach. Northern Villa. Oh, bo.
Wala. Mahugyot ko.
Ano siya? Water na ay water. Ay wala na siya soda yan.
Dawa na, baby.
Meron tao. Kanat, ay kanat tayo.
Patrick. Patrick ka.
Ay kanat, ay kanat.
Ang gusto mo, sa'yo pangalan daw.
Sa
Sa'yo pangalan.
Pizza?
na ba pizza?
Ha?
Wish na ba pizza o kanang seafood pizza?
Oh. Kami, ganun.
Meanwhile,
I've been waiting just to see your face. Caught up in your vibe.
There are two types of mangroves you can find here. There is Zafora, Bakaw, Bakaw lalaki, Bakaw babae. Two mangroves. So this is the breeding ground of the fishes. This dead mangroves were due to lightning strike. You know, lightning strike. Delikado din napito dahil. Atlantic shrimp dere ba? Pero limango. The largest amount of mangrove coverage is in Indonesia. 2/3 of the fish we eat spend part of their lives in mangroves. Awan. Mangrove habitats store more carbon than rainforests. Much of the carbon is in the mud. Bawa. Basta siya, boy. Wala ka. Kuha ka taan nila din tanong. Wala siya bunga, no? Buwak ra. Salt water. So gusto mag-kondra. Ay, mangrove nest. Mangroves are unique because unlike any other trees, they can tolerate salt water, just like what I said. Hi there. Hi. Virgin Island.
I've been waiting just to see your face. Caught up in your vibe, girl. You take me to a place where the sky meets the ocean. We're dancing in the light with every single.
Ano mo sa Hawaii? Sino? Ang ka ba? Ang sige parang sa Hawaii. Sige parang sa Hawaii.
Sa ligaw?
Yeah.
meanwhile,
Ilang doon apel gani ha?
Ayo. Kaya 100. Plus karon 200.
Ano may 50 gani ha?
Ang ganiha pag ang port manila duka ka 100 niya, 300 tanan, da ka karon apod mo tot ari 200. Tinayo ka.
Squid Game ni ba?
I've been waiting just to see your face. Caught up in your vibe, girl. You take me to a place where the sky meets the ocean. We're dancing in the light.
Walang touch na lang pagkano man. Try mo guys.
Oh, cutie.
True. Okay yan talaga yung rabbit. Paano siya? Alright.
Oh, guinea pig is so cute. Guinea pig, wala ka siya na rabbit yan.
May rabbit there?
Small.
Cute! And we are into the rabbit hole.
Ganito po.
Pwede sila mga bit-bit.
Pwede ito sa bag daw.
Ay, kananin doon. Do not follow the rabbit. Bye-bye. Everyone is drinking water. Hi. There's a baby. There's a baby. There's a baby.
Don't touch it, don't touch it. Oh. This was a baby cutie rabbit. Nope, do not touch.
You run away. We have 2 minutes remaining in this video. So, give us this one.
These are the fish. Ito yung pangalan daw. Koi. Koi. Ano na lang ito? Here, koi koi. Little big fish. Japan.
Someone said this is really big.
Here's Eduardo. Daniela.
Kasali ba to? Saan yun? Kasali ba yan? Kasali ba yan sa farm? The big farm. Let's go, Jero. Yan naman, pwede naman ito-lunch. Where's the goat? Here's the goat! Ah! Oh, magkanding dire ay. Kanding ka? Ay!
Sister Plus.
Ay! Kambing isme!
Ano ang
Kuan ni Bay.
Ano ang English na? Ano ang English na kambing?
Diyan.
You serious?
One eternity later.
Thank you for calling Jollibee Delivery. Lobat! Amen. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Sige na, kaya saan ang oras ah?
I've been waiting just to see your face. Caught up in your vibe, girl. You take me to a place where the sky meets the ocean. We're dancing